So that's the back. I really do like this. Let's compare it to a Tangem. It's about the same size of a Tangem. Man, I really love stuff like this. It's a really cool, cute piece of tech. That's what I want to say. It's kind of cute. Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is unbox the OneKey Classic 1S. So we got one right here. One thing I want to mention is that we are giving away a OneKey Classic 1S. So guys, head over to Twitter or check out the link tree. I will have that updated for you. So you're going to have to tag a couple friends, and you have to be a Loose Moose holder. So for those of you that do not know, we have an official channel NFT. It is the Crypto Moose Loose Moose NFT. So that's one of the reasons for owning one of these NFTs is that you get priority on the giveaways here on the channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into this and unbox the OneKey Classic 1S. So again, whenever you receive a hardware wallet, you want to make sure that nothing is tampered with. So looking good so far. So crypto hardware wallet, EAL 6 Plus. A lot of the crypto wallets seem to have this. So that is some of the latest security features right there. So far, I must say, it feels pretty premium. So I like seeing that. And yeah, it seems pretty legit so far. We're going to start off by ripping these green tags up here. OneKey Classic. Nice. There we go. So we have a nice QR code. Things have been packaged quite nice. And we are going to be doing a setup video. So if you want to learn step by step how to properly set up this wallet, I've got you covered. That will be out this week as well. So we have a lot of information on how to set up the wallet. The Moose is going to get loose. He's not going to need all this. And we got some stickers, really cool. And yeah, I guess we can put that back for now. Wonder if all this will fit in there. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Here we've got our recovery sheet. So when we set up our wallet, we're going to want to write down our mnemonic seed phrase on this sheet. So for the setup video, I will be using this. And I like these little sheets that they give. Yeah, they're very similar all across the board. So whether you're getting a Ledger, Trezor, Tangem. This one has 3, so I like that. If you guys are interested in picking one up, head over to the link tree. I will have a link for this wallet under hardware wallet. So buy a hardware wallet. I will update that for you. So head over to the link that I have for you. It is onekey.so and OneKey Classic 1S. So currently this hardware wallet is $99. I may have an affiliate link down in the future for you as well. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. So let's put this back, and we are going to use this for sure in our setup video this week as well. So here is the wallet. This is what we've been waiting for. And wow, this is small. This is a lot smaller than I thought. Look at that. Wow. So I'm going to compare it to other hardware wallets I have next to me, but I want to at least give this hardware wallet the time and attention that it deserves. So I want to make this unbiased and fair. So let's set this off to the side for a moment. And let's appreciate how small this is. So by the way, OneKey sent me this, and I'm not taking any money to review this. So OneKey, and we have this tamper resistant sticker. So if this is cut off in any way, if it feels like it's peeled and pulled back, just make sure to keep that in mind if somebody potentially tampered with your device. The best thing you can do is use a reputable link. So use my link tree or make sure that you're at least on the right website, because somebody can hack the wallet potentially and take your crypto. So you want to make sure of that. So I'm very impressed so far. And by the way, OneKey sent me 2 of these hardware wallets, one to review, which is this one, and the other one for giveaway. I must say I'm very impressed by the size and the weight of this. I still haven't taken off the wrapper yet. Also, this hardware wallet has been sent to me for free, so I am not being paid to promote this hardware wallet. I told them, yes, I will review it, but it's going to be 100% what I think. So, you know, whenever you guys check out my unboxing videos, these are my thoughts. I'm not being paid. I will not get paid to talk about a hardware wallet. Perhaps in the future, but I will mention that. So anyways, I just want to let you guys know that. I assume that a lot of you are looking for the best hardware wallet to buy. And so far, I am impressed. So let's take this off. I'm not quite sure how to open this guy. So I must say, it's not the easiest thing to open. But it is beautiful. Look at that. So we even have this. Just to give you an idea, it is pretty. And it's got these little buttons here. And let's take this off. So that's the back. I really do like this. Man, I really love stuff like this. It's a really cool, cute piece of tech. That's what I want to say. It's kind of cute. It's a cute little hardware wallet. So yeah, that's kind of getting the moose loose here. So we got, it looks like USB-C at the bottom. And this is thin. I will compare it here in 1 second. And we got to peel this. And I like the black on this. That is slick. I really like this. I really do like this, I must say. Let's compare it to a Tangem. It's about the same size of a Tangem. Obviously a little bit thicker, but not much. I feel like it should be bigger than it is. Like this feels small. This is really cool. I'm really impressed so far with the feel of this. So again, Tangem. This is a credit card size. And it's like the exact same size as a Tangem. And maybe 2-3 times as thick. Here we've got a Trezor Safe 5. And it is thinner than the Trezor. Here's the Trezor Model T. And this thing is so cool. I like this a lot. I really, really do. Man, that is so cool. Here's a ledger. It's about half the size of a Ledger S Plus. And here's an old Trezor. So it kind of feels like the Trezor 1 in terms of the build. The build quality is not great, but I also don't really care. There's something about it where I kind of like that it's plastic like this. Like, I don't know. I like it. It feels nice. It's got like this matte kind of finish. I'm impressed. Just to give you guys one more look, for those of you that care, it's got these nice buttons. Maybe we can power it on as well. So it's got this logo. And I'm excited for the setup video. So let's see if we can maybe power it on. So it's got a nice little screen there. So with my main camera at a shutter angle of 180, it's getting a bit of flickering. And with my phone on the overhead, so you are going to see a little bit of flickering on the camera, but in person, I cannot see the flickering. So far, that's really cool. Let's just finish up, see if there's anything else in the box. We got a cable, and it looks like that's about it. So we've got a USB-C to USB-C. So nothing too crazy there, but that will fit in here. And the connection's nice. It even says OneKey there. So that's about it, guys. So if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe, check out the link tree. You guys can head over and find a link to the website using this link tree. So I will get that updated for you. And out of 10, I must say, I'm going to give this an 8.5. I like this a lot. It feels like a crypto wallet, and it feels like it's not trying to be something that it isn't. It's just, it is what it is. And I like how thin it is. It's really unique. I like stuff like this where, you know, it feels like a cool little crypto gadget. So I'm impressed. Good move sending it to the Moose. So guys, that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the setup video.